కృష్ణ ఇది పెన్ ఎందుకు వర్క్ చేయట్లేదు? నిన్న కూడా ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం, ఇప్పుడు కూడా. వేరే దాంట్లో వస్తుంది. నేను మార్నింగ్ వేరే ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులు చెప్పినా కదా. ల్యాప్టాప్ మొన్ననే ఫార్మాట్ చేయించాను, మార్నింగ్ వేరే ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ చెప్పాను, ఇదే ప్యాడ్తో చెప్పాను. అదే పెన్ టాబ్లెట్ కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఇందులో లైట్ వస్తుంది కదా. వేరే నేను గూగుల్ మీట్లో చెప్తే మరి వస్తుంది. గూగుల్ మీట్లో చెప్తే గూగుల్ మీట్ క్లాస్ చెప్తే వస్తుంది పెన్ను. పీపీటీలో కాకుండా గూగుల్ మీట్లో క్లాస్ చెప్తే వస్తుంది. ఎట్లా దీన్ని గూగుల్ మీట్లో తీసుకెళ్దామా? వస్తుంది జామ్ బోర్డ్లో. మన పీపీటీని అందులో షిఫ్ట్ చేయమంటావా ఎట్లా? అచ్చా, వేరే జామ్ బోర్డ్ తీసుకొని దానిపైన రాయమంటావా? ఓకే ఓకే, సరే సరే కృష్ణ, ఓకే. Yeah, hello students, good evening one and all. Let us discuss about trigonometry introduction today, and this is Chandrasekhar, math faculty. So here what is there on the screen, that is just introduction about me and about the concept, right? And if you look at this slide, so here this slide is about our Spark Academy, and here in this Spark Academy, here we can provide daily live classes, in session doubt clarifications, and free material in our app, tips and tricks for EAMCET, JEE and NEET, right? These things regularly going on, right? And admissions are open for 2022 and 23, both for classroom and online coaching, right? And we provide short-term coaching, crash courses, and regular coaching also in the evening batches. And join us for free live classes in YouTube regularly. And if you need any other information, then download our app Spark Academy for more information. Still, if you need information about the academy, then just you can contact the academy. So here in the other slides you can get our contact number. So who are there here? These are our faculty members: physics Sandhya ma'am, myself mathematics, and Santosh sir mathematics. Next here bio madam Vaishali ma'am, right? This is our schedule, tentative YT schedule. This is YouTube schedule, and we have the classes on Wednesday and Thursday. 7 to 8 we have our math class. Due to some technical issues, yesterday we didn't continue the class, and today also still the problem is there. The writing is not possible here. I am trying to write it on the screen, but it is not accepting, right? And then this is the code and today's session plan. So here what we are going to discuss here in today's session: measurement of angles, right? The first topic is measurement of angles. In this measurement of angles, regularly what we have in measurement of angles, what do we do? Generally what we know, measuring angles, that means only degrees we know. From our childhood we are learning about only degrees, but other than degrees, here we have grades, radians also we have. So grades comes under centesimal system, nothing but French system, and radians is nothing but circular system, okay? And And next, degrees is nothing but English system. In English system we can measure the angles in degrees, and in French system we can measure the angles in grades, and in circular system we can measure the angles in radians. I am unable to write on the screen, so that's why I am explaining here. So try to understand the problem. And the next point, so in this system, which system? In English system, one complete revolution is divided into 4 equal parts. One complete revolution is divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is called a quadrant. Okay. In one quadrant, what could be the angle? It is 90 degrees. That 90 degrees can be called as a right angle. I hope I am clear to you. One right angle is equals to 90 degrees. Okay. Then next come to the French system. In French system, again one complete revolution. Here one complete revolution can be considered as 400 grades, and this 400 grades can be divided into 4 equal parts, each part equal to 100 grades. That 100 grades is called right angle. Am I clear? That 100 grades is called a right angle. Next, if we come to the circular system, in this circular system, length of the arc, when length of the arc is equals to radius of the circle, length of the arc is equals to radius of the circle, then the angle made by arc at the center is called radian. Am I clear? Length of an arc which is equals to radius of the circle making an angle at the center is called radian. So we have given 3 definitions here. First one is, in English system, one right angle is 90 degrees. In French system, one right angle is 100 grades. And in radian system, the arc which is equals to length of length of arc which is equals to radius of the circle making an angle at the center is equals to radian. So here one right angle is equals to pi by 2 radians, right? Then if you want the relation between all the 3 systems, then what we have to write? 90 degrees equal to 100 grades equals to pi by 2 radians. Am I clear? 90 degrees is equals to 100 grades is equals to pi by 2 radians. With the help of this relation, we can calculate, means we can convert degrees to radians or degrees to grades or grades to degrees or grades to radians. Like that we can convert. This is about measurement of angles. Clear? Next, definition of trigonometric functions. Definition of trigonometric functions means, take a right angle triangle. And in that right angle triangle, the longest side is called hypotenuse. Which is opposite to the right angle. Then you can take any one of the other 2 angles as theta. And with respect to theta, we have 2 sides. Exactly opposite to theta is called opposite side to theta, and just beside theta is called the side which is adjacent to theta, right? Totally we have 3 sides in a right triangle: hypotenuse, opposite to the respective angle, and opposite adjacent to the respective angle. If we try to write the ratios, opposite over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, next one is adjacent over hypotenuse and opposite over adjacent. I can repeat. First ratio is opposite over hypotenuse, second ratio is adjacent over hypotenuse, third ratio is opposite over adjacent. We can name these 3 ratios as, first one sin theta, second one cos theta, third one tan theta. Once again I can repeat. First one sin theta, second one cos theta, third one tan theta. If we write the reciprocals of these 3 ratios, sin reciprocal is cosecant, cos reciprocal is secant, and tan reciprocal is cot. Clear? So cosecant theta is equals to what? Hypotenuse over opposite. Secant theta is equals to what? Hypotenuse over adjacent. Cot theta is equals to what? Adjacent over opposite. In this way we can get all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Clear? So sin theta times cosecant theta 1, cos theta times secant theta 1, tan theta times cot theta 1. Clear? Next we can application of basic trigonometry on eliminating variables. Okay, maybe this concept is related to eliminating theta. So to eliminate theta, we need some trigonometric identities. What are the trigonometric identities? Identity number 1 is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second one is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And the third one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. These are the three trigonometric identities. And proof of these three trigonometric identities is depends upon Pythagorean theorem. What is Pythagorean theorem in right angle triangle? Opposite square plus adjacent square equal to hypotenuse square. Once if we divide each side with hypotenuse square, you can get first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Once if we divide the Pythagorean theorem with opposite square, 1 plus cosecant square theta equals to cot square theta will come. Once if we divide each side with adjacent square, you can get 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus secant square theta equal to tan square theta. Clear? First one is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second one is 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Third one is 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. These are the three identities. Based on these three trigonometric identities, we can eliminate theta from the given respective equations. Clear? And the next, sines. Sines and graphs. Sines and graph of trigonometric functions. So sines means let us take a coordinate system. Coordinate system means 4 quadrants will be in a coordinate system, right? Quadrant number 1, quadrant number 2, quadrant number 3, quadrant number 4. In first quadrant 0 to 90 degrees will be, and in the second quadrant 90 degrees to 180 degrees will be, and the third quadrant 180 to 270 will be, and in the fourth quadrant 270 to 360 will be. Clear? 4 quadrants we have. In the first quadrant, in the limit 0 to 90 degrees, all the trigonometric ratios, that means sine, cos and tan, all these three trigonometric ratios are positive. Let us come to the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, what happened? Only the sine is positive. Only sine trigonometric ratio is positive. Cos is negative, tan also negative. And in the third quadrant, tan is positive, sine and cos negative. And in the fourth quadrant means what? 270 to 360 degrees. In this limit 270 to 360 degrees, cos is positive, sine negative, tan also negative. Okay, now next, when we have even multiples of 90, 0 degrees, 180 degrees, 360 degrees, okay, like this, if we have even multiples of 90, there is no change in the given trigonometric ratios. Sine will be sine, cos will be cos, tan will be tan, cot will be cot. There is no change. For example, if we have odd multiples of 90, like 90, okay, now next to 270, right? Next 3 times 90, 270. Next 5 times 90, 540. 5 times 90. Next 7 times 90, 630. Like this, for odd multiples of 90, sine will be changed to cos, secant will be changed to cosecant, and tan will be changed to cot. Once again I can repeat, sine will be changed to cos, cosecant will be changed to secant, tan will be changed to cot. These rules we have to remember to write this is sines. Okay, and to remember this, we have a code like all silver teacups or else all Sanya Mirza cups. Like that we can use any code just to remember. All means all trigonometric ratios. Silver means yes, sine positive. T means T tan positive. Cups means C positive. Like that we can remember. And if we see the graph, so the graph of sine, how the graph of sine will be, it is like a continuous function. It is like a continuous graph. There is no breaks at all. And you can see sine 0 is 0. Okay, and then immediately sine 90 is 1. After sine 90, again the value will be reduced. Up to 0 it can reduce, then 0 to up to minus 1 it can reduce. After minus 1, again it will come up. That means at 0, 0, at 91, at 180, 0, again at 270 minus 1. After 270 it will be equal to, after 270 it will touch the x-axis at again 360 degrees. is a no. 0, 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. At 98 is reaching 1, and at 278 is reaching minus 1, at 360 it is reaching 0. So if you observe this curve, it is moving in between minus 1 and plus 1. Nowhere it is going. Exactly, it is lying between minus 1 and plus 1. It is moving in between minus 1 and plus 1. So the minimum value of sine is minus 1. Then the maximum value of sine is plus 1. Understood? And as it there is no break at all, so we can call it as a continuous function. We can call it as a continuous function. To make it one function or to make it onto function, we have to put the restrictions on the domain. Okay, we have to put the restrictions on the domain. That's it. That all again we can discuss in trigonometric equations. How it will become 1 1, how it will become onto. Then if it is 1 1 and onto, what will happen? It will become bijective. If it is bijective, what happens? Its inverse can exist. In that case, then what is the domain and what is the range? That all we can discuss there. But here a domain is real numbers, range also real. A range is what where to where it is going, minus 1 to plus 1. Okay. Similarly, we can discuss the other graphs like cos graph, tan graph. All we can discuss: secant graph, cosecant graph, and cot graph. Clear? Next. So download our app for great discounts on courses. So here what you are seeing is a Spark Academy app. So once you can install the app and experience our facilities, what we are providing. Then if you have any doubts, then you can contact the institute. Here we have the academy numbers 9133380172, or else you can contact 8977525461. Okay. And next, this is about offline downloads. Okay, study material, free test, student testimonials. Okay, these all are possible in our app. These all are available in our app. Let us take any one of these. Suppose the study material is there. In this study material, what do we provide? We can provide free handwritten notes, free study materials, previous year questions, free mock test, right? And every week we can conduct the test. Free test we can conduct every week. Monday to Friday classes will going on. End of the week, Saturday, we can provide you the test. We can conduct the test, and then immediately on Monday we can give you the key with the tentative solutions. Okay. And this is what this is about admission, sir. What you are seeing on the screen, it represents the classroom environment of our Spark Academy, right? This who are there on the screen, these are last year long-term students, and here admissions are open. Join now. And classroom coaching and online coaching both are available. Inter plus EAMCET JEE NEET, these all what are the timings for these batches? 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and long-term coaching 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Regular coaching 11th and 12th, evening 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and school tutorials timings are 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. and we have our branches at ECIL, Narayanguda and Mehdipatnam, right? ECIL branches this year we have established newly. Clear? And next, link in the description. Link in the description means once you can go to the store. This is all available in our store. So here you can get everything, right? And let us see what are available. Long-term courses for 22-23, crash courses for 22-23, mock test, previous year question solutions, full-length test, study materials, and we can provide the coaching for JEE Mains, NEET, EAMCET, IIT Foundations, IELTS and more. Highly quality courses with great offers and discounts. Try to buy now. Okay. And next, this is about online coaching. NEET 2020-23 online coaching, and JEE Mains 2023 online coaching, and next EAMCET 2023 online coaching. This is enter the coupon code. Just you can enter the coupon codes here. So my name is CS Chandrasekhar. No, CS10. If you apply, then you can get the discount here. Next, daily and on-demand live sessions. What are the daily and on-demand live sessions? So some students can attend offline classes, some students can attend online classes. but same coaching will be provided at a time to both. How it is possible? When the class is going on, same live can be available for online students also. Means live class, live class telecast is available here. And one more, suppose if you're absent on any day, then it is also possible to attend the class. It is also possible to attend the class from your home with the help of these live sessions, right? And common live sessions. Okay. And what is our methodology? Our methodology means what is our Spark Academy methodology? We can give you basic concepts first, then we can provide you shortcut methods, then we can give you all model questions, then we can move into the exercise questions. Later we can practice previous year questions, then we can conduct you chapter-wise test, then weekend test, grand test, and test analysis will be given to you, right? And why this is Spark Academy? Why to choose only Spark Academy? Because highly experienced faculty we have, and personalized coaching we are giving, and process oriented coaching we can provide. Personal mentoring and doubt clarifications will be there, and limited batch size will be there. We cannot take like bunch of students, just limited strength we can provide. Next, what is course name and hybrid coaching and online coaching? Suppose access to classroom you have taken, then you can get hybrid coaching. Online coaching, no. And access to online you have taken, both hybrid coaching and online coaching both are available. Books you have taken access for books, then hybrid coaching is available, online is no. Online study material you have taken, then both online and hybrid. Weekly test you have taken, then again both available. Grand test you have taken, then both available. Doubt clarifications, then again both available. In hybrid by person, but in online only online mode. Clear? Sine a is equals to sine 1 degrees, b is equals to sine 1. Then what is the relation between a and b? So in just we have to convert both into degrees or both into radians. A is in degrees, b is in radians. 1 radian, what is 1 radian? 1 radian equal to how many degrees? Generally pi by 2 radians is equals to how much? 90 degrees. Then 1 radian is equals to what? 180 by pi. So what is pi value? There you can write there 180 by pi, 180 into 7 divided by 22. So you can get some value, some value in degrees you can get. Then both will be in degrees. Then you can compare a and b with the help of 30 degrees, right? With the help of the degrees, which is greater, which is smaller. Sine is increasing function, right? Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 91. Like that it is increasing. So once you can express this 1 radius in degrees, 1 radians in degrees, then you can understand what do you get. Clear? Next question number 2. Sin theta is equal to 2ab divided by a square plus b square. Then what is secant theta plus tan theta? Then what is secant theta plus tan theta? Here sin theta is equal to 2ab by a square plus b square. Then take a right angled triangle. Okay, now in that right angled triangle, mark opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. Write in place of opposite 2ab and in place of hypotenuse a square plus b square. Then adjacent can be calculated as hypotenuse square minus opposite square. What is hypotenuse square here? A square plus b square whole square minus 2ab whole square. That means a square plus b square whole square minus 4a square b square. It will become a square minus b square whole square. So that a square minus b square we are getting as a adjacent. Okay, no? Then secant theta is nothing but hypotenuse over adjacent, tan theta is nothing but opposite over adjacent. Then write all the values and simplify. Clear? Next, question number 3. Sine square pi by 18 plus sine square pi by 9 plus sine square 7 pi by 18 plus sine square 4 pi by 9. Same angles also there in the denominator. Clear? Once if you write 90 minus pi by 18, 90 means what? Pi by 2 minus pi by 18. Pi by 2 minus pi by 18. What is the LCM for this pi by 2 minus pi by 18? 2 and 18 LCM. Then 9 pi minus, yes or no? 9 pi minus pi. That means 8 pi over 18. What is that 8 pi over 18? It is 4 pi by 9. It is 4 pi by 9. So if you write in place of pi by 18, pi minus pi by 18, you are getting 4 pi by 9. Indirectly, pi by 18 is nothing but pi minus 4 pi by 9. Then pi by 9 is nothing but pi minus 7 pi by 18. Clear? Then first one is cos square 4 pi by 9. Then second one will become cos square 7 pi by 18. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. 1 plus 1, 2 we are getting the numerator. Same thing we can apply in the denominator also. Again 2 will come, 2 over 2, 1. Right? Next, question number 4. ABC are the angles of a triangle ABC. Cos of 3a plus 2b plus c divided by 2 plus cos of a minus c divided by 2. So, ABC are the angles of a triangle they are saying. So, a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. A plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. If you write here, what is left other than that? 2a and b left. In place of 2a and b also, you can replace a plus b with 180 minus c. A plus b is 180 minus c. So finally what you are getting? 360 you are getting. Okay. And all b's and all c's eliminated. All b's and all c's eliminated. One a is left and minus c we are getting. So 360 plus a minus c by 2. That means 180 plus a minus c by 2. 180 plus theta, which quadrant, sir? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. So minus cos of a minus c by 2 we are getting here. Because 180 even multiple. Cos only. Minus cos of a minus c by 2 plus cos of a minus c by 2. Both gets cancelled. We are getting 0. Answer for question number 4 is 0. Next, question number 5. Tan 25 degrees is equals to P. Tan 25 degrees is equals to P. Tan 245 degrees plus tan 335 degrees whole divided by tan 205 degrees minus tan 115 degrees. So 245 degrees can be written as 270 minus 25. 335 degrees can be written as 360 minus 25. 205 degrees can be written as 180 plus 25. Okay. And 115 can be written as 90 plus 25. So wherever you have odd multiples, there you can get cot. So here 270 you are writing, no? For first 245 you are writing 270 minus. It will become cot, sir, cot 25. 270 minus theta third quadrant tan positive, so minus cot 25 this plus cot 25 this one. And 360 means same. 360 minus theta fourth quadrant minus tan 25. And 180 plus theta third quadrant. So this is plus. And here 90 this one. 90 plus theta second quadrant minus minus plus will come. So p plus 1 by p, p minus 1 by p. Simplify. You can get the answer simply. Right? Next, question number 6. A cos theta is equals to b sin theta, then a cos cube theta plus b sin cube theta equal to how? Sin theta into cos theta, then a square plus b square equal to how much? You can see this first condition, a cos theta equal to b sin theta. A by b equal to tan theta you can get. A by b equal to tan theta you can get. Opposite over adjacent equal to tan theta. Opposite is a, adjacent is b, then hypotenuse is square root of a square plus b square. Okay. From that you can get cos theta is equals to, what is opposite to a? Adjacent is what? B. So b by under root of a square plus b square. And in place of sin theta, what do you write? A by under root of a square plus b square. So substitute both the sides and simplify. Okay. Finally you can get the answer. Question number 7. Sine of minus 660 degrees into tan of 1050 degrees into secant of minus 420 degrees whole divided by cos 225 degrees, cosecant 315 degrees and cos 510 degrees. Same, sir, here 660 degrees is nothing but 360 plus how much? Or else we can write directly 720 minus 60. 720 minus 60 is nothing but 360 minus 60. Okay. In this also, how many 360s are there? We can check it once. 360 plus 360, 720. 720 plus 360. 720 plus 360, 1080. So 1080 means how much less? 360 minus 30, this one. Next, this is 360 plus 20. And secant of minus theta is plus secant theta. And here sine of minus theta is minus sin theta. And cos 225 is there. Cos 225, how do you write? 225 means 270 minus 25. 270 minus 45. And this is 360 minus 45. and this is a 360 plus how much, sir? 360, 460, 150. This is cos 150. Cos 150 again we can write as cos of 180 minus 30. Like that all we can write, and according to the quadrants you can write the signs, and even multiples of 90, odd multiples of 90. Based on that you can get the values and substitute the trigonometric values, simplify to get the answer. Clear? Next, question number 8. Cot theta plus cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. This question is completely based on trigonometric identities. What are the trigonometric identities which is related to cot and cosecant? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. You write cosecant square theta minus cot square theta as cosecant theta minus cot theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta. Already here cosecant theta plus cos theta is there, take out common. Then in place of cosecant theta plus cos theta 1 will come, and in place of minus 1, minus of cosecant theta minus theta will come. That means minus cosecant theta plus cot theta. So after taking cot theta plus cosecant theta common, inside we are getting 1 minus cosecant theta plus cot theta. That is same as denominator, then both gets cancelled. What is left? Only cot theta plus cosecant theta is left. What is cot theta? What is cot theta? Cot theta plus cosecant theta is left. Cot theta 1 by, simplify sir. This one in terms of sin and cos, right? Cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta, and cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. So 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Third option will be clear. Once again I can tell you, in the numerator in place of 1 write cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. That is in the form of a square minus b square. So write it as a plus b into a minus b. Cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cos theta. And take out cosecant theta minus cot theta common. Remaining you simplify. Denominator and the remaining part will be gets cancelled. Cosecant theta plus cot theta left. Cosecant is 1 by sin. Cot is cos by sin. So 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Third option is correct. Clear? Next, question number 9. 3 times sin x minus cos x whole power 4. 6 times sin x plus cos x whole square. 4 times sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. So here sin x minus cos x whole power 4. First square you can expand. If we expand with the whole square, you can get 1 minus 2 sin x cos x whole square. Again you expand it. 1 plus 4 sin square x cos square x and plus 4 sin x cos x you get. And this is 6 times sin x plus cos x whole square. This is what 1 plus 2 sin x cos x. And here write sin square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube. Then a cube plus b cube formula we have to apply. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. A plus b whole cube is 1 because sin square x plus cos square x whole cube will come. 1 cube 1 minus 3ab. 3 sin square x cos square x into 1 means 4 into 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. So this will become 4 minus 12 sin square x cos square x. Again same 12 sin square x cos square x will repeat here. So both gets cancelled. And in this 3 times 1 3, and here 4 times 1 4, 7, and here 6. 7 plus 6 how much? 13. Answer is 13. Okay, just expand it by with the help of algebraic identities. You can get the answer. No need to worry. Simple question. Next, question number 10. Cos x plus cos square x is equals to 1. Then sin power 5x plus 2 sin power 6x plus sin power 4x is equals to how much? Interesting question, sir. Cos x is equals to, say, send this cos square x this side, 1 minus cos square x. What is 1 minus cos square x? Sin square x. So cos x is equals to sin square x. Means in place of sin square x we can write cos x. So sin square x into sin square x into sin x. Got it? Sin square x into sin square x means cos x into cos x. So this first one will become cos square x into sin x. Second one will become cos cube x. And the last one will become cos square x. Okay. In the first and second, what you get common, take out common and simplify. Again you can use this cos x plus cos square x, because this first one is now, what is first one? Cos square x into sin x. Cos square x into sin x, no? Yes or no? And next here, this is what sin square x is equals to cos x. Sin square x is equals to, means this is cos cube x. So you can take out cos square x common from this. Then sin x plus cos square x will come, no? Like that you can simplify. Finally you can get the answer. Okay. Really, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. This notepad is not working. That is the reason I have explained you orally, or else I won't write it on the screen. And why to continue this today, because yesterday also we stopped the class with the same reason. That is the reason today I have taken the class, but orally I have taken because of that problem. But anyway, it is introduction. From next class I can try to give my level best. Okay, let us see what are the remaining slides. So this is about again this is about a telegram, sir. This is our telegram link, so you can join us with this telegram link, Spark Academy telegram link, so you can get continuously that updates you can get, and all the materials is available in that. Previous year questions also available with the solutions, right? EAMCET previous year solved papers with the solutions. Next, do it yourself or homework, solve and post your answers in the comments. So here actually homework we have to post, right? Anyway, that is introduction. No, concept wise, at least do two questions. First concept is measurement of angles, 2 questions. Next concept, trigonometric functions. For each function 2 questions. There we can get 12 questions. Next, eliminating theta, 3 identities are there. For each identity 2 questions. There are also 6 questions. Next, sines, 4 quadrants are there. For each quadrant at least 3 to 4 problems. Then there are also nearly 15 problems you can do. And next, minimum value, maximum value questions. Then questions based on the graphs. Okay, that all you can try to do. Next, subscribe to our channel and press the bell for notifications. Yes, in notifications. Okay, don't forget that. Yeah, this is a TS EAMCET 2022 result summary. This is Telangana EAMCET 2022 result summary, this one. So 2017 72% selections was happened, in 2018 80%, and in 2019 88%. Look at that, every year by year there is an improvement in the percentage. And in 2020 93%, 2021 95%. Really this is good, because that is pandemic situation. In the pandemic situation also students scored a 95%. It is really too good. And this is 2022, here also 95% of the selections has done. Percentage of students in top 10 colleges. Yeah, you know top 10 colleges no, in our state. Naranama College, and some colleges are there, no, G Naranama College, Gangaraj Gogaraju College, and Guru Nanak College. These all colleges are there, no? In that college, in the top 10 colleges, percentage of students, 35 students got seat in top colleges, top 10 colleges in 2017. In 2018, 52%. In 2019, 70%. In 2020, 84%. In 2021, 85%. In 2022, 87%. Next, rank ranges of our students: less than 2000, 10%, 2000 to 10,000, 19%, and 20,000 to 30,000, 9%, and 30,000 plus 53% students. Highest rank in engineering is 1937, and highest rank in agriculture is 2030, right? And NEET 2022 results summary, this one. Percentage of selections in 2019 88, 2020 93, 2021 95, 2022 98%. Spark Academy highest scores year wise: 2019 550, 2020 575, 2021 608, 2022 650 in NEET. This is in NEET. And in the year, number of students in MBBS, BDS. Okay, number of students in projected here: 2020 15, in 2021 19, in 2022 27 seats. Okay, and next, JEE means 2022 results summary. Percentage of students qualified: 66% of the students qualified. Highest percentile 99.12. Percentage of students who improved from first attempt 82%. Percentage of students who got above 95 percentile 40%. Highest category all India rank 2200. And number of toppers category wise: OBC, SC, ST, EWS 10 students. Okay, and here we have we are giving coaching in 3 branches: Naranguda, Mehedipatnam, ECIL, right? ECIL established this year especially. Next, TS EAMCET 2022 Spark Academy result summary. Yeah, this is already I have told you, know, less than 2000, 10%, 2,000 to 10,000 18%, 10,000 to 20,000 10%, 20,000 to 30% 9%, 30,000 plus 53%. Next, TSMC 2022 Spark Academy Result Summary. Yeah, this one already I have given you, sir. In the above I have explained this all. This one also college wise top ranks. Next, Spark Academy JEE means 2022 results. Yeah, this is also just now I have explained, right? Key number of students studying in Spark Academy. Average percentage of Spark students 87%. Pass percentage of Spark students 98%. State toppers, number of students who scored 98 plus 7. Average percentage of TS students 60%. Pass percentage of TS students 67%. Yeah, really good. And next here they have given name wise. Okay, Santosh Ritika. She's from I think she's from Kamam, 989 marks MPC. Sneha 989. Okay, these all are top scores in intermediate. Okay, Saurav Verma, Safira Faharin. Yeah, you can see here 989, 988, 988. These all are state ranks. 985, 984, 981. Yes, really good scores, right? Spark Academy NEET 2022 results. Yeah, I have told you, just now. Same. JEE EAMCET NEET classroom and online coaching admissions for long-term batches 22-23. Admissions open now. So here these are the highlights: test analysis and reports, full-length test, doubt clarification support, access to app and live sessions, daily, weekly, chapter-wise test, lecture videos on demand, and we have the branches on Naranguda, Medipatnam, ECIL, as well as online. For admissions, you can contact 8977 525461. Okay, don't forget, join us now. JEE EAMCET and NEET classroom and online coaching, regular coaching for 12th and 11th students. This is for evening batches. Regular coaching for 12th and 11th batches means this is in the evening. Admissions open for the batches 2020-23. Yeah, same thing, no? Just now what I have told you, same. Next, so we are providing after school tuitions also, especially for school students, 7th, 8th, 9th class, 9th and 10th class students. For them also, further batches also admissions are open. For them timings are 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Limited batch size, help with homework and test, teaching from basics, personalized coaching, regular performance tracking, student progress updates to the parents. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you everyone. Like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Spark Academy. Okay, thank you one and all.